Today I will show you how to operate our Jin Yonghu indoor lift crane on construction site. First, try to lift 2 bags of cement. You can see that the crane is very stable during the lifting process and the lifting speed is also fast. Yes. We need to notice that the column's top needs to be attached on the ceiling and the bottom needs to be attached on the ground. When the cement is lifted to the height of 2 floors, you can pull the heavy object to the balcony by operating the boom. Next, we try to lift 3 bags of cement. The cement is tied here with a 1-ton flat lifting belt and a hook. After the hook is hooked, the operator begins to evacuate. It is strictly prohibited to occupy the bottom of the heavy object when lifted. This crane can lift 3 models of 300 kilograms, 400 kilograms, and 500 kilograms. You can choose the appropriate crane according to your specific use conditions. When lifting, remember not to use it at full load or overload.